Hi parents, it's Miss Debbie from the Appomattox Regional Library System. And today I have a super fun parent DIY for you. We're gonna make calm down bottles. Now, calm down bottles are a great resource to have in your home. They are super fun for the kids to play with and also a great way to get them to calm down when they're having a temper tantrum or they're overwhelmed by a problem they're having on their homework. It's just a great all-around tool. Now, to make your calm down bottle, you need a smooth-sided bottle. I recommend plastic. You need some water, preferably warm water. You need hair gel. You're gonna need super glue to seal up your bottle. And you're gonna want beads or something small to move around in your bottle. Now, optionally, you can add glitter and food coloring, but it will make it a bit harder to see what's inside your bottle. All right, let's get to it. I'm going to start off this craft by taking the label off of my bottle. And you do want to start this craft with a smooth bottle that has been cleaned. Now that my label's off, I'm going to go ahead and add about 1/4 cup of hair gel. And then I'm going to come behind with some nice warm water, filling it about halfway full, and giving it a nice shake. Now I'm going to come through and add a bit more water and give it another vigorous shake. And now it's time to add the beads. You can add as many beads as you like. I did about 40. I think that's a great number for it. And once you have all your beads, you can add a bit of glitter. And I went right through with a bit of water just to disperse the glitter all through the bottle. And I gave it another shake. Now at this point, you're going to look and see how your beads are falling. If they're falling too fast, go ahead and add a bit more gel. If not, start going in with a bit more water, shaking it to get all the air bubbles out, and adding more water as you go until you get it all the way filled to the top. Once your jar is filled to the top, what you're going to want to do is dry off the seal of the lid and the bottle with some paper towels. And when they're both dry, go ahead and take some super glue and put that all along the seal of the cap and seal it back on tightly to your jar. This makes it to where the little ones can't open it up. And I hope you enjoy learning how to make it. Have a great day.